What if your bank could actually help you plan ahead instead of just reacting to problems? The surprising truth about Future First Bank in 2026 might change how you think about modern banking. Future First Bank is a digital-focused bank designed around forward planning. Instead of only showing current balances, it emphasizes forecasting. When you log in, you see upcoming bills, expected income, and projected balances. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on what's in their account a day, but Future First pushes you to think ahead. One standout feature is its smart budgeting engine. It automatically categorizes spending and highlights trends. For example, if your food expenses rise 3 months in a row, the app flags it and shows how it affects your future cash flow. You won't believe how quickly small leaks become obvious. Future First also offers automated savings rules. When your income increases, savings adjust upward. When income dips, savings slow down to avoid overdrafts. This flexibility is a big reason users stick with the platform. Another strength is transparency. Fees, limits, and policies are clearly explained in plain language. The surprising truth is that fewer surprises often matter more than flashy features. The downside is that Future First Bank keeps things simple. It does not offer advanced investment products or complex credit options. It's built for everyday banking and planning, not wealth management. So, is Future First Bank still worth it in 2026? If you want a bank that helps you stay ahead instead of catching up, yes. It's especially useful for people who want clarity and predictability. Subscribe for more reviews that break down what really matters in banking.